you can see www.runnersworld.com. So runnersworld.com is a domain here. Hello everyone, this is Hanan, and in this today's lecture we're gonna have a look at this domain and hosting. So let's see what is domain. You can see on the screen here on the website I'm using for the notepad rapidtables.com. So rapidtables.com is a domain here. rapidtables.com is a domain here. Let's have a look. Best riding shoes search. You can see www.runnersworld.com. So runnersworld.com is a domain here. If you more scroll down the same website here, time.com. So time.com is a domain here, and nymac.com and theruntesters.com is a domain here. Now I hope you will be cleared about what is domain. I will let you know, I will explain, we will talk about more about the domain, the selection of domain, how to select a domain, and what things we need to take care here in this domain. I will let you know in upcoming lectures. Now let's have a look at the hosting. What is basically there are types. If you look at the types of hosting, the first one is shared hosting and reseller hosting. Other domains as well, hostings as well, like VPS, but we're gonna have a look at this shared hosting. What is shared hosting? Shared hosting is like it's on the multiple server, and you can say it is cheap as compared to the reseller hosting. Let me explain the difference between shared hosting and reseller hosting. Let's have a look at first reseller hosting. Viewers, reseller hosting is like that. You purchase a whole floor of floor of a restaurant or a hotel you purchase, and there are different rooms in suppose we can have it this one floor, and each floor consists of 30 rooms. Okay, so reseller hosting is that you buy the complete floor, including 30 rooms. And the shared hosting is that you need only one room, so you buy only one room. Reseller hosting is that people buy the whole floor in obviously less than it's shared hosting as compared to the prices. There is a price difference, so you buy the whole floor and then you rent out all other 30 rooms to 30 different clients. You rent out this. That's reseller hosting. Shared hosting is that you don't need to buy the complete floor, you buy only one room because you need, and only one room. It depends on different packages that allow shared hosting. For suppose shared hosting different packages. Somehow in different basic package you need to add, you are allowed to add only one website. In a standard package you are allowed to multiple 3 to 5 websites, whereas in the advanced package you can add more than 5 websites in one hosting. I hope you will be cleared about the shared hosting and reseller hosting. uh, normally we buy shared hosting. We buy shared hosting, and hostinger, you can use GoDaddy, you can use there are number of multiple Namecheap you can use. So multiple websites to purchase the domain and hosting. There is no need to buy any domain or hosting right now. You don't need to buy any domain or hosting. I will let you know when you need to buy. So except the shared hosting and reseller hosting, there are VPS and dedicated servers, cloud hosting as well. So VPS is a virtual private server, and you can access the root access and have the admin access in this VPS dedicated servers. The complete servers, we call this dedicated server. Normally we use when you have a large audience, and suppose you have a website that kind of event website of the, that we use, like media platforms, different TV channels that we use. Cloud hosting is that multiple server you find on cloud hosting. So domain and hosting, there is no much need to learn in this domain hosting. Normally we buy shared hosting and domain. What is domain you need to buy? Suppose this is the website. Who is hosting? Who is hosting this.com? On this website you can here you will enter a website URL. Let me check this here, and search it. So let's see what data will be. Here you can see Bluehost as well. It's a good for the hosting you can use. This website, who is hosting this.com. To know that hosting name, that which website, you can see hosting provider, Fastly, IP address, owner details, name servers, each and everything, country, and the registered country. The detail about the hosting you can know about from this website, who is hosting this.com. That was the lecture first, second lecture, first one, the introduction of the course. I hope you will understand this. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section, or you can reach me out on the Instagram as well. You can find the Instagram link in the description of this video. I hope you will like this video. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.